If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform this plain little shorty bottle of Hennessy into this lovely rhinestone embellished bottle, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube! So today in this video, I'm going to be embellishing this little shorty bottle of Hennessy. And I'm going to be using crystal glaze glue, a wax pickup tool, and these 5mm gold-plated rhinestones. I'm going to go ahead and get right into the video. So first, I'm just going to go around the label with a little bit of glue, and I'm going to trim around the label. I like to do that first so I can make sure that the rhinestones are nice and neat and straight around the label first before I do the rest of the bottle. So I'm just taking my time and adding the rhinestones, going around the bottle. You can go left to right, you can go up and down, whatever method makes you feel better, or you're more comfortable with, or works faster for you. And there's different ways that you can put the rhinestones on the bottle. I'm not always so perfect with it. I just kind of make everything fit the best way I can so it looks good. Some people are more anal about it and want everything to be lined up a specific way. There are people who are like 100% professional and this is all they do all day long. I like to do scatter methods, or I do like to do the honeycombs the best way I can. It kind of starts out as a good honeycomb or like a brick layer, but then sometimes it gets a little tricky in certain areas, and I just kind of make it fit the best way I can. I use one size for the whole bottle, which was 5mm. It's my favorite size to use. And I'm almost finished. This doesn't take long at all. And this makes an excellent gift. Or this would be very nice to give to your bridal party if you just found out what drink each of your bridesmaids like and you just blinged it out, maybe did the wedding colors or whatever their favorite color is. That would be like a really, really cool idea. So I want to say this took me no more than a half an hour. If you're newer at this, it'll probably take you a little bit longer until you get a good flow for it. But these are like super cute. I love this gold-plated rhinestone. I will have this available on my website, myroyalradiance.com, if you're interested. Now, just to talk a little bit about this crystal glaze glue, it has multi-purposes. It says that it's good on, I think, glass, wood, fabric, and other surfaces. I only tried it on fabric once and it didn't really stick for me. Maybe I didn't use enough, but so far using this on glass has been great. It says it's non-toxic, and I think this was about $20. That's including the shipping. I think the shipping was like $8, but I know I paid about $20. I'm kind of on the high end, but I wanted to try it out, so it wasn't really a big deal. It has a very low smell, so it's not really overwhelming like E6000. So I would still have like a fan going or a window crack if possible, but it's nowhere near extremely overwhelming, but it's a very low, like you can smell it. It's not completely odorless, but it does have a very nice strong hold. I definitely let it dry at least 24 to 48 hours. For me, on this little bottle, after 48 hours, so after 24 hours, it felt really good and strong. But the longer you let it cure, the better. So I'm just going to continue to take my time and add these rhinestones and close it all the way up to the top of the bottle. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of this little small Hennessy shorty bottle. And I absolutely love, love, love this bottle. It is so cute. I have actually done the Hennessy bottle in other colors before. In the next clip, I'll show you how I did it in blue, and it was absolutely gorgeous. Now, I especially like these gold-plated rhinestones because they're one of my favorites to use. Look at that sparkle. You can only imagine what this will look like if you did this on a large Hennessy bottle. Like if you wanted to do like a nice gift for someone, or just something to put on your at-home bar, or somewhere to just add some style or glamour to your home. This will look even better in the sunlight because the light is really hitting off of it. And these are 5mm. You're welcome to use multiple sizes of it, or you can mix this in with other colors as well. If you're going to an event and you want to give someone a birthday gift and maybe you can't afford the bigger bottle, blinging this out, customizing it is just as cute and important to me. Look at this blue bottle. I did this a few months ago. I just painted the bottle blue. I trimmed it with some clear, like 4mm rhinestones. And once I trimmed it, I just went around with the rest of it with blue. And that's actually one of my favorites as well. So thanks you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you did find it helpful. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, or share it on Facebook. And thanks again for watching, you guys. Bye-bye. And we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10 off. Check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers. And if you are going to subscribe to this channel, make sure that you do hit that notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. And if you're not going to subscribe, that's fine as well. Thank you so much for stopping by. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at LifeIsAWhole5 with underscores in between each word. The same name is on TikTok. And thanks again, you guys. Bye-bye.